you to sign up for our volunteer celebration. So if you serve here at Excel Church, or your children serve here at Excel Church, young or old, it doesn't matter. If you are involved in serving here, then please get yourself signed up for our volunteer celebration, which is next Saturday evening. The sign up will close on our website tomorrow, so time really is running out. We want you to be there so we can celebrate all the great work you do here at Excel Church. If you've got children who are aged between 5 and 11 years old, then why not book them in for this year's Summer Holiday Club? It'll be running from the 7th to the 12th of August, and it is called Game On, a computer game themed. It's going to be loads of fun. There's going to be singing, dancing, games, gunge, all kinds of stuff that is excellent. So please get yourself booked in via the website as soon as possible to make sure you get your place at Game On Holiday Club. Gentlemen, listen up, because this one is for you. On the 21st of July is our next Courageous Men's event. Starting at 6 p.m, you're going to have pizza, you're going to have a film, there's going to be fun and games as well. Get yourself your tickets today for just £7, and you can get those from our website or from Exchange or from Dan as well. So that's the 21st of July is our next Courageous Men's event. We're excited to have the Caribbean Gospel Music Tour return to Excel Church later this year. On 7th of July, artists such as Ayana Gordon-Wallace and Curtis Jordan will be bringing a taste of the Caribbean to Bilston as they perform for us. Get the date in your diary, tickets will be available soon. We had a great weekend at Strength Will Rise this year, our church weekend away, and many of you have been asking if we can do it again. So the 31st of May to the 2nd of June will be our 2019 weekend away. Get that date in your diary, get saving your pennies, because we want you there for our next church weekend away. There's some final preparations underway here at Hickman Park, because next Sunday is Hope in the Park. So please join us at 12 noon. Bring yourself your picnic along, and there's going to be songs, there's going to be dancing, we're going to be spreading the news of Jesus to the town of Bilston. We hope you can join us for that, and remember, next Sunday there are no services at Excel Church because of Hope in the Park. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back really soon for more Excel news.